Hello everyone, myself Monish Acharya and I'm legal intern at Lexis and Company. Today I'm here to talk to you about the topic PM Care Fund, that we have no right to information in this. So basically, Prime Minister Care Fund was started with the motto to help the people who have suffered due to COVID in India. In this crisis situation of country where people are losing their loved ones and are dealing with financial crisis due to the lockdown situation in the country have not only affected the lives of the citizens but also economic growth of the country. And to overcome all these situations, PM Care Fund was adopted, or we can say it was started, where donation was made by the individual and trustees to help the people of India who were affected in this scenario. Prime Minister Citizens Assistance and Relief in Emergency Situation Fund. On 28 March 2020, Prime Minister started this policy of PM Care Fund. This was the charitable trust which collect funds for the COVID affected people. This scheme used to accept fund voluntarily and individually. In Income Tax Act, the donation have been 100% exempted from Income Tax Act. Fund will be audited by independent auditors. In Company Act, it is counted as CSR. Independent auditors will be appointed through trustees. In 1.5 months, the fund has ranked in 1,000 crore worth of donation, including unlimited tax-free contribution from major corporates. Earlier, with same objective, Prime Minister National Relief Fund was started in 1948. This was started to help and to provide the immediate relief to the families of those killed in natural calamities like earthquake, flood, etc., victim of major accidents and riots, support medical expenses for acid attacks victim and others. So, in 2018, RTI, that is Right to Information, was filed to know whether it comes under the public authority or not, and this petition is still pending in High Court. And many times Congress leader Sonia Gandhi suggested the government to transfer all the PM Care Fund money to Prime Minister National Relief Fund. Many Right to Information petition is filed for PM Care Fund to know how much they have allocated, utilized and where they have used it. And in response to this, government of India said PM Care Fund does not come under public authority and stated that to know any detail go to pmcares.gov.in website. The reply further stated that even then the fund is not public authority as it is not at all financed by the appropriate government and administered by private individual as trustees. This response is clearly violation of the law laid down by the Delhi High Court in the case of NSE case, because if ownership and control are with the government, that alone is sufficient for the fund to be public authority. Right to Information Act Section 2 as say about the public authority. Public authority is a body established by the Constitution. Any law made by Parliament, law made by state legislature, and a notification or order issued by the government. So government keeping secrecy is of no benefit to the government himself and to the public itself, as these funds are being collected for the welfare of the citizen, and it is duty of the government to keep transparency in the system. and every citizen should know where these funds are being utilized. So I hope you have understood this topic. For more such information, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and do like, share and comment. Thank you.